if you want a TRX, but we just got one in. It's got 4,000 miles on this bad boy. Excuse the rain, just wanted you to see. Let me show you the front real quick. Beautiful. 6.2 liter supercharged motor. Nice leather interior. Panoramic sunroof. Sunroof, not sunroof. Look at that. It's got that big giant display. 4,200 miles. Got your trailer steering. Obviously, here's your four-wheel drive controls, but all the features necessary to run a truck. Excuse some of the water. Let me show you the moonroof. Just hope the water doesn't come in. Oh, there you go. Open. There we go. Customize the screen a little bit. Let's see the radio. Boom. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on this thing too. Heated, cooled seats, heated steering wheel. You got your surround view camera. Look at that right there. Oh, this thing is a monster. See under the hood. Oh, you can't see nothing under the hood though, huh? Oh, there's something in there. You can hear it whining. Hey, if you're interested in this one, let me know.